Hi, I'm Mark Melling, the CEO of Melling Engine Parts, and we're here before the Melling Motorsports Car Show, and we're real excited to welcome into Jackson Erica Enders and Aaron Stanfield. And my son Brendan's joining us, and we'll just have a little recap on how the season's going so far. It's been a real pleasure to be with Erica for 4 of our last six. You had 6 championships, and it's been great to add Aaron onto the Melling team this year, and he's doing a great job with a couple wins. And Brendan is our aspiring driver. He's doing the Copo, but there's junior dragsters and other things going on in the family as well. Anyways, why don't we start with Erica. Erica, how's the season? Maybe tell us about the joy of the end of last season and how the season's going.
Yeah, absolutely. Last year didn't start off so great, but we were able to finish by securing our 6th world title. We made a very strong run from the summer to the end of the season, and that's always a huge highlight to be able to lock up a championship because it's all of our dreams, right? But this year we started off with a bang. We won the Pro Superstar Shootout, which was a $125,000 purse.
Cha-ching.
Yeah, that was nice.
That's nice.
And then we went on to Gainesville, which was our NHRA Pro Stock season opener, and that was my first Gator Nationals win in 20 years of trying. So that was definitely awesome. And over the next few races, we've been able to get a bunch of our elite motorsports elite performance drivers some wins, and Aaron, the most recent, obviously yesterday in Norwalk and the week before. So he's doubled up, and TJ's won, and so Elite's doing really well this year.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. It's been great to be with the Elite squad. Richard runs a wonderful operation, and we've got great drivers that we're involved with, and we've been really blessed to be part of the whole team. So, and with that, being part of the whole team this year, Aaron, your car looked a little blank last year. It looked like it needed some dressing up, and I think the Melling stickers so far have shown on there pretty well.
It looks good, and it's we're very thankful to follow up with Erica and represent the Melling brand.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, and so it's 2 wins in a row. How many do you think you can string together in a row? Sorry, Eric, I know you're thinking it's
That's
only
okay.
2. Is there a 3rd in sight here?
I think if you ask Erica and I, we'd say it would be fine if we never lost again.
Absolutely.
But yeah, we're just going to keep rolling, see if we can keep the momentum rolling, and yeah, see if we can keep stringing them together. At least it might not be me, but the Elite Motorsports game just continue to turn on those win lights.
Exactly. Brendan, you can probably speak for all the employees at Melling about how the racing program is viewed here in Jackson.
The employees love you guys. Not only the employees, the community loves you guys, and we just are so happy to have you guys a part of our brand. It is just a complete blessing to us, and to see you guys drive the Melling Performance Chevy Camaros that you do, it's wonderful for us, and it's even better when you guys win. So that makes it a lot of fun.
Thanks for joining us here in Jackson, and let's have a great rest of the season, maybe a 7th championship, or maybe it's a 1st. I'm not rooting for one over the other. I'd be happy with either.
Either one would be good. I think we would both say that.
Absolutely.
All right. We have the car show coming up here at Melling. We've got great drivers, and we've been real blessed to have a great July day, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun out on the parking lot and showing off these cars.